All right, well, I'm about a minute behind. We're 10 seconds into this video, and Danny's seeing how fast he can rip apart a Legacy Outback front door, because he needs this.
Welcome to the PFD Performance YouTube channel. Pretty friggin' deadly.
So you're saying the glass has to be in a specific spot?
Glass has to be out.
Oh.
And the regulator has to be down because it blocks. There's like a protective steel plate on the back.
Okay.
For theft and stuff. And then you have to unbolt that, and then you can get to the handle. But the window's right.
So if someone needs a driver's side glass, this one will be out. Row like 7, pick and pull. Mint.
I'm good at stuff. Yeah. One thing I didn't check is whether I grabbed a dead battery or not.
We'll find out one way or another. Solid technique.
Way too much.
Does yours have the crossbars on the roof?
Yep.
Nice. Working.
Weird, that one doesn't line up the same as mine. This part needs to be.
I want to break free. Oh,
I forgot about this part.
Is it, what if it, is it,
No, I forgot I need to take the belt molding off.
what if it's just like that? Is that out of the way enough?
Yep.
That'll do. It's like Lambo windows. And if you ever need to, airbags make wonderful hand cleaning wipes.
Best place so you don't lose these, just in the door. That's where they go. They're for the door. You don't need you. Now, getting this out without breaking it is the fun part.
Challenge accepted.
Hat backwards because I mean business.
Also, shout out to Big Sky Race Week. That was fun.
Oh. You like it?
Nice, that sounded like a good sound.
Should just go one way and then the other way. I broke it.
Where did it break?
And these are what, like hooks on the
body. Figured out.
Yeah.
All right, round 2.
Ready?
Yep. Like, what if I pop up, like pull up on it and you push out the bottom?
Oh, I have another idea. If I go this way. Yay.
Great success.
5 minutes?
6:35.
Not bad.
Not bad at all. Mint. Went pretty smoothly.
I think his timing's all messed up.
Sorry, what was that, Danny?
The timing's all messed up in this video.
Yeah. All right, well, that does it for Subaru parts, I think. We'll see if we can find any G-body stuff, but successful day at Pick and Pull.